Friends, I'm Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. I welcome you all to another exciting episode of Warli Art. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw animals and birds in Warli Art. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to draw a peacock. For that, draw a circle. Then draw the beak. Now I'm going to draw the eye of our peacock. Now just draw the neck like this, and it's so easy. Just draw a leaf like shape to draw the body, and now draw the feet. Okay, now draw the feathers at the back of the peacock. Okay, so this is a peacock. Now let's draw a cow. For that, we will draw an inverted triangle to draw the face of cow. Then draw two eyes, horns of the cow. Now make a cross-like shape to draw the body. Like this and this. Now join these 2 points. That's it. Now let's draw the legs. So easy and simple. So this is our cow. Now let's draw a bird. Draw circle. It's the face of the bird. Then eye, beak, long neck, okay. Now draw the body. And feather at the back. And it's done. This is our bird. Now I am going to draw a hen. It's also very easy. Okay. Okay. Draw the legs and the feather at the back. Okay, so this is our hen. So we have drawn the 4 figures: peacock, cow, bird and hen. So our birds and animal drawing is complete. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.